If you're a sales rep looking to prospect using video, you may have come across two platforms that can use AI to help you scale your video prospecting efforts. In the video today, we're going to be going through the two kind of most popular platforms in the space, one being Sendspark and one being Heygen. And so we're going to go through a full kind of pricing comparison in addition to going through the features and functionality that allow these platforms to help you scale your video prospecting. And so we'll first go to Senspark, run through that platform, and do the same for Heygen. And so, firstly, looking at the Senspark platform and looking at their pricing tiers before we go into what the platform does and how it enables you to prospect at scale. The Senspark platform comes with 4 tiers of plan. The first being a video messaging tier, which just allows for one-to-one recorded videos. So when we look at AI personalization and the ability to send videos at scale, this first kind of video messaging plan is $12 a month and does not allow you to do that. But as we go up the tiers, you'll start to see this kind of dynamic video and AI personalization added into a lot of the plans. And so for a sales rep that wants to start off with their AI personalized video plan, which allows you to kind of kick off a lot of the scalable kind of processes that we'll go through in the video today, this plan is going to be the best one for you and is $39 per month, and then $39, sorry, per seat per month, and that's on a yearly plan. And then as you go up and you want to add additional seats to their plans, there's one for $129 a month, which includes 5 seats, and then one that includes unlimited seats at $449 per month. And so as you can see, as you run through the tiers, there's some difference in obviously the seats, and then there's some additional kind of support offered at the higher tier plans. So that's the first component of the Senspark platform. With that being said, let's go into the platform itself and show you kind of how the platform works and operates. So Senspark does offer that one-to-one video, as I showed you, very similar to some of the other tools that we've compared on this channel, your Loom and your Vidyards. You hit the Chrome extension in the top right, and then you're able to send and record a video. But where the beauty of the platform comes in is the dynamic video functionality. And so with Senspark, what you're able to do is record a single video, which is in this top box at the top. You can add in voice cloning, which will basically pick up the introduction that you have for the video and then basically personalize it for every contact you send it to as part of your sequence. You can come down here and set up templates. So this is the way that the video is going to kind of display to the contact that you send it to. You can add personalization. So here it's got first name. So if you send it to Ben, it would say hi Ben. To Gary, it would say hi Gary, etc., etc. A message, and so you can add a little bit more kind of personalization into this message, and then a CTA, which is usually a calendar, which requires people to click in to book a meeting with you. And so, like I mentioned, really easy. Create a video, set up voice cloning, which takes kind of 30 seconds. Set up a template, and then what you're able to do is add in a CSV. This can be as many prospects as you'd like. And what you'll see as we click through these videos, each background changes with the contact that you're sending it to. And also what you're able to do is also here, you're able to send personalized introductions. So we'll go ahead and hit this. And so every one of these videos is personalized, the introduction and the background. When you're ready to go ahead, you can hit share campaign and basically add it into the prospecting tool of your choice. And so you can connect it into Apollo, into Zoom Info. They have a large number of, or we have a large number of platforms that we integrate with that allow you to add these personalized campaigns into each platform. So that's the Senspark platform. Again, very easy to set up a dynamic video campaign, and at $39 a month, extremely reasonable. With that, let's head over to Heygen and compare the two platforms together. So, moving over to Heygen, as I mentioned, we're going to first talk about their pricing and then we'll go into the platform itself. And so, the Heygen platform comes in four pricing tiers. There's a free plan, which includes one seat and 120 public avatars, which we'll go over in a little bit. The next plan is $24 a month and includes three instant avatars. The business plan is $72 per month and again includes some instant avatars in addition to some team collaboration. And then the enterprise plan obviously is not listed kind of on the site as well. The one thing I will say about Heygen is the pricing is pretty complex. There's additional kind of credits that you can buy. There's also these kind of fine tuning avatar plans as well. And again, a lot of kind of different options and pricing on their site, which makes things pretty complex to work out. In addition, when you start to look at the creator plan, even though it is slightly more expensive than Senspark, you do get more AI functionality at the creator level in comparison to Senspark's kind of individual or rapid plan. And so, a couple of things to call out. Even though there's four tiers that will suit you, the pricing does get fairly complex to work out which one you want to use and at what kind of tier of credits. So that with the pricing being done, let's dive into the platform itself. So inside the Heygen platform, this is how the kind of platform works from an AI generated perspective. What you're able to do is basically pick a template, and so you can create a template from their library. What you're then able to do is select an AI avatar from the left-hand side and write out your script. And then the avatar that you've selected, and they have a wide range, will actually read out the script that you have mentioned. And then you can personalize the background with adding logos, etc. And then you'll publish. And so the one thing I will say about Heygen, it's relatively simple to use, kind of drag and drop and all that type of stuff. But when you think about it from a kind of sales perspective and trying to prospect, it can be quite an odd experience using an avatar. Again, what we're looking to do broadly with prospecting is send personalized video messages. And so through the use of an avatar, it's it's not it's not really as personalized, and again can come across as pretty kind of fake when using an avatar. And so when considering the two platforms together, as I just showed you, the Senspark platform allows you to record a video of yourself, and really the personalization comes in the form of the introduction and the background. And so what I would say with Heygen, even though it makes it easy to create an avatar and takes the heavy lifting out of creating a video, it's not going to give you that personalized feel that Senspark does. In addition, the backgrounds do not change. It's a single background, and so probably is better suited to marketing use cases instead of the sales use cases that are specific to Senspark. And so finally, to kind of wrap up and compare the two platforms together, what I will say is although Senspark at certain tiers is maybe slightly more expensive, I think the ROI and the value for sales reps is far higher with Senspark. With Heygen, even though the avatars are pretty cool, when you're thinking about prospecting to people, you really still need that personalized feel. And when comparing the two platforms together, you're definitely going to get a kind of better reaction and more interaction from an actual human, more so than a kind of an avatar that the person doesn't know and seems a bit fake. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. Please check out our other videos for other comparisons. We hope you find it helpful. All links for both tools can be found in the video notes.